This one is a 1954 Remington Quiet-Riter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To set the margins, you can just move them with your thumb right here on each side. I like to have them at the beginning and the end of the page to fit as many letters as possible on one line. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning and skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single space, but if you want double or triple, you just flip this switch down like that, and it'll skip 3 or 2, like that. We're going to keep it on single for now and go down to the next line. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Type a sentence on the next line. Very nice typing machine. Can't go wrong with vintage Remington. All made of metal and steel and won't jam up on you. They made some of the best rifles ever made back in this time, and the typewriters were just as reputable. This one has a unique font. I don't know what kind of font that is, but it's different than most typewriters. And it's elite, so it's smaller than your average font too. It prints 12 characters per inch. Most of them will print 10. To take the paper out easy, you just flip this switch on the right here. You can see that. Oh, that's the carriage release. I guess this one doesn't. Oh, here it is. Flip that up, and it releases the rollers underneath the platen. Allows you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on each side. To clear it, you just hit the shift again. Backspace on the top left here. Works good. It's got a tab, a miracle tab it says up here. That just gives you this option to set it anywhere on the platen. Where my thumb is here. You got an S on the top and a C on the bottom. That stands for set and clear. So we're going to set a tab right where we are by switching that up like that. And then you hit the tab button on the right side here. And it stops at that spot that you set it. And to clear it, you just flip it down. And then now you have no tabs. And you can set as many as you want on this one. Anywhere you want on the platen. Open the hood and we got the spools. And this is your ribbon direction control. Right now, all the ribbon, brand new ribbon is on the left, so it's pulling to the right, and it'll pull clockwise on this one. And to switch it, you just flip that to the right, and it'll start pulling to the left. And we're gonna flip it back to that side. That works good. This is your ribbon color selector. Right now, there's a solid black ribbon on it. But if you want to switch to black and red, you just flip that switch, and it'll jump up the vibrator higher so it hits the bottom portion of that ribbon. And you switch it back, it'll hit the top portion. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.